Good morning, sir. Papakita ko lang po kung paano makuha yung simple interest and maturity future value. Kung nakikita nyo po, meron po tayo itong isang table. Meron pong principal, rate, time, interest, and maturity future value. For the given po, meron po tayong principal, time, and maturity future value. For the principal, meron po tayong 15,000. The time is 3 years. For the maturity future value is 100,000. And for the formula po, kasi po, ang hinahanap po sa 1 is yung interest and then yung rate. For the formula po, for interest is equals to maturity future value minus principal po. Then, yung formula naman po sa rate equals to interest over principal times time. For the solution naman po, para makuha natin yung interest is i-distribute lang po natin yung given natin sa formula. Yung formula po kasi natin sa interest is yung maturity future value minus principal. 100,000 yung maturity future value, 15,000 minus 15,000 yung principal is 100,000 minus 15,000 equals to 85,000. Bali, ito na po yung magiging interest natin. Ito na po siya. The next naman po, yung rate naman po natin yung sunod na kukuhanin. Bali, yung rate naman po is equals, ganun lang naman din po, i-distribute na lang po natin yung given sa formula for the rate. Ang 85,000 over 15,000 times 3. Yung 85,000 po is bring down. Then, ito po muna natin unang isi-solve is 15,000 times 3 equals to 45,000. Then, 85,000 divided by 45,000 is equals to 1.88 or 2%. Bali, ito na po yung magiging rate natin. For the B naman po, for the B, our given is meron po tayong principal 70,000. For the rate naman po is 5% or 0.05. The time po is 5 years. Ang hinahanap naman po sa formula is ang hinahanap naman po sa B naman po, nawawala po si interest and maturity future value. For the formula of interest equals to principal times rate times time. For the maturity future value equals to principal plus interest. For the solution naman po, kung paano makuha yung interest, then equals i-distribute lang po natin ulit yung given sa formula. 70,000 yung principal, 0.05 yung rate naman po, then time is 5 years. 70,000 times 0.05 times 5 equals to 17,500. Bali, ito na po yung interest natin. Charan! The next naman po is yung 70,000 po, i-ganon din po, i-distribute na naman din po natin. 70,000 plus, yung sagot po natin, 17,500 equals to 87,500. Bali, ito na po yung magiging maturity future value natin. For the letter C naman po, meron po tayong given, is meron po tayong R, 7% or 0.07. The next naman po is time is 2 years. The interest equals to 12,000 pesos. For the formula of principal is interest over R times time. For the maturity future value is P for the principal plus interest. For the solution, for the principal is 12,000 over 0.07 times 2. Bring down po natin 12,000, then 0.07 times 2 equals 0.14, then 12,000 divided by 0.14 equals to 85.714. Bali, ito na po yung magiging ano natin, yung magiging ito na po yung magiging principal po natin. Ito na po siya, yung principal, 85.714. Next naman po, isolve naman na po natin yung maturity for the future value nya is 85,714 plus 12,000 yung interest equals to 97,714. Bali, yan po yung ating magiging future value. The next naman po is letter D. For the given, meron po tayong rate, interest, then future value. For the rate, meron po tayong 4% or 0.04. For the interest is 10,000. For the maturity future value is 100,000. And for the formula, para po makuha natin yung principal then time, meron po tayong principal. Formula for the principal is F minus interest. Then time equals to interest over PR. For the solution naman po, para makuha natin yung principal, is minus lang po natin yung maturity future value, then interest po. Then 100,000 yung future value minus 10,000 yung interest. Bali, 100,000 minus 10,000 equals to 90,000. Bali, yan po yung ating magiging principal. Yan po, 90,000. The next naman po, isolve naman po natin yung for the time naman po. For the solution of the time, distribute lang po natin ulit yung solution sa given. Ano po tayong 10,000 over 90,000 times 0.04. Bring down po natin yung 10,000. Then, ito po natin unahin. 90,000 times 0.04 equals to 3,600. 10,000 over divided by 3,600 equals to 27.77. Bali, yan po naman po yung magiging time. The next naman po is letter E. For the given naman po, for the principal is 15,000. The rate naman po is 4% or 0.04. For the time is 6 years. Meron po tayong formula for the interest. Principal times rate times time. For the maturity future value is we have principal plus interest. For the solution naman po is for the solution for interest, ganun lang po, ipagka-times lang po sila, is 15,000 times 0.04 times 6 is equals to 36,000. The next naman po, yung solve naman po natin ay ito po pala yung ano natin, interest is yung 36,000. Ito po siya. The next naman po, solve naman po natin yung maturity future value nya. 15,000 yung principal plus 36,000 yung sagot po natin, yung interest is 15,000 plus 36,000 is equals to 51,000. Bali, yan na po yung magiging magiging future value natin. Next naman po, isolve naman po natin is yung maturity future value and compound interest. Kung nakikita nyo po, meron po tayong ulit isang table na kung saan merong principal, rate, term, compound interest, and maturity. Sa given po, for the principal, wala, given po si principal, rate, and term. For the principal, we have a 20,000. Rate is 2% or 0.02. The term is 5 years. For the formula for maturity future value is P open parenthesis 1 plus R close parenthesis time. For the compound interest equals to F minus P. For the solution, una muna natin solution is yung maturity future value is 20,000 close parenthesis 1 plus 0.02 ito yung time, this yung 0.02 ito po yung time natin, yung rate po pala, then yung value po ng time natin is yung 5. Pag nasolve po natin ito na po yung magiging sagot is 1.104080803. Then bring down lang po yung 20,000, then 20,000 times 10104800803 is equals to 220,081.61. Bale, ito na po yung ating magiging maturity future value. The next naman po is yung ating compound interest. For the compound interest naman po, we have 20,000, yung 220,000.81.61 yung ating maturity future value, then minus 20,000 yung ating principal is yung equals 20,081.61. Bali, ito na po yung compound interest natin. Bali, ito na po siya. The next naman po is letter V is give. We have a given, we have a rate, term, and maturity future value. We have a rate is 3% or 0.03. Then time 6 years. Future value is 150,000. Then for the formula of principal, then interest, compound interest, for the formula of principal equals to maturity future value over 1 plus R then time. Then for the compound interest is equals to maturity future value minus principal. Una po, isolve po muna natin yung principal. Bali, ito na po yung solution nya. Bali, distribute lang po natin ulit yung given sa formula. Sundan lang po natin. Diba? 150,000 yung future value over 1 plus 0.0 yung rate over yung 6 yung ito yung value ng time. Bring down lang po yung 150,000, then solve 1 plus 0.03 or over 6. Bali, ito na po yung magiging sagot nya is 1.19 1.405227. 150,000 divided by 1.194052297 is equals to 796,034.86. Bali, ito po yung ating magiging principal. Ito na po siya. The next naman po, isolve naman po natin is yung for the compound interest. Then, ganun lang din po, dispute lang po natin ulit yung given sa formula. 150,000 yung future value. The next minus 796 0.34.86 yung ating principal. 150,000 minus 796 0.34.86 is equals to 646,034.86. Bali, ito na po yung ating magiging compound interest. The next naman po is for the letter C, for the given is we have a principal 10,000, we have a rate 5% or 0.05, we have a time 8 years. For the formula of future value and compound interest, for the future value we have a principal open parenthesis 1 plus r close parenthesis over time. The next naman is yung compound interest is equals to future value minus principal. For the solution of future value, we have a 10,000 open parenthesis 1 plus 0.05 close parenthesis over 8. Then bring down lang po yung 10,000, then ito lang po yung isi-solve muna. Then pagka-solve nyo po, ito na po yung makukuha yung sagot. We have a 1.477455.444. Then pag nakuha nyo na po yung sagot, ikita times nyo na po yan. We have 10,000 times 1.477455.444 is equals to 14.774.55. Bali, ito na po yung ating magiging future value. The next naman po, for the compound interest. For the compound interest, we have a 14.774.55 minus 10,000 is equals to 4,774.55. Bali, yan naman po yung ating magiging compound interest. The next naman po is yung for the D naman po, letter D. The given for letter D, we have a R 6% or 0.06. Next naman po is yung term 9 years. For the future value, we have a 160,000. For the formula of principal equals to future value over open parenthesis 1 plus r close parenthesis over time. For the interest compound interest is equals to future value minus principal. For the solution, we have a 160,000 over 1 plus 0.06 over 9. Next naman po is bring down lang po natin 160,000. Ito lang po muna yung isi-solve. Then pagka-solve nyo po, pagka-compute, ito po yung magiging sagot is 1.689478959. Bali, divide lang po yan. 160,000 divided by 1.689478959. Ito po yung magiging sagot, equals to 105,592.43. Bali, yan po yung ating magiging principal. Ito po siya. The next naman po, i-solve naman po natin is yung compound interest. For the compound interest, we have 160,000 minus 105,592.43 is equals to 54,407.57. Bali, ito naman po yung ating magiging compound interest for number 8. Ito po siya. Next naman po is yung for the letter E. For the given naman po, we have a principal 100,000. For the rate 4% or 0.04. The time 10 years. For the formula of future value equals to principal open parenthesis 1 plus R close parenthesis over T. We have next naman is compound interest equals to F minus P. For the solution of future value, we have F equals to 100,000 close parenthesis 1 plus 0.04 over 10. Then bring down lang po yung 100,000. Then pagka-solve nyo po ito po yung magiging sagot. Diba? 1.480244285. Then pag nakuha nyo na po yung sagot, ita-times nyo po yung 100,000 times 1.480244285. Ito po yung magiging sagot is equals to 148,024.42. Bali, ito po yung ating magiging future value. Ito po siya. The next naman po is yung for the compound interest naman po is 148.024.42 minus 100,000 is equals to 48.024.42. Bali, ito na po yung magiging compound interest natin. Bali, ito po siya. Thank you.